Hello everyone, Jude here from Tech Office Software. In our tutorial today, we shall be learning about the top and best Microsoft Excel tips and tricks. These tips and tricks are sure to add value to your use of Excel, and they are not in any particular order. So stay to the end to see all the tips and tricks in this tutorial. Number one is flash fill. When you have some emails, we have about 5 emails here that is made up of first name and last name, and you want to extract these names only from the emails. Let's say we come to the next column here, we type Philip and then Jude. As I just put J for Jude, flash fill automatically predict what I am about to do and fill up the rest for me. If this is what I want to do, I will just click enter. This is one good thing about Excel flash fill. The second one we are going to talk about is goal seek. Here we have a list of products, then the quantity, price for each of them, then we have the total sales. You see that the last product, which is Meg, don't have quantity. That is because we want to know the quantity of Meg that we are going to sell to arrive at a total sales of $6,000. We already have $5,605. So how many Meg are we to sell at $30 to arrive at $6,000? To get this, we click on the total we already got. Then we come up to data. From here, we select what if analysis. And then we'll select goal. The value we are looking for is 6,000. From this arrow pointing up, we click on it. We select where we want the calculation to be done. The arrow pointing down, we click on it. Then we'll press OK. As you can see, it has automatically calculated it. You have to sell 13.17 quantities at $30 to get to 6,000. Then we'll press OK. The third one is filter. Just click here within the data. Then you come up to this data tab here. From this funnel-like icon is filter. You click on it. It will put drop down on your columns. When you click any of the drop downs, it will open up and show you unique options you have on the table. You may decide to leave all of them. If you decide to remove some ticks, it has removed it. If we come here again and add them, they will show up. Then when we come to this number filter, from here we can see all other options we can do with filter. So this brings us to the fourth, which is quick analysis tools. When you highlight this section that we have data in this spreadsheet, you will see this box. When you click on it, it will open up the quick analysis tools for you. From here, you can perform so many tasks. From this format, you can decide to format data bar, color, icon, greater than, top 10. When you tap on the chart, you can do any chart from here. And when you tap on the total and press sum, it will autofill and get you the total sum. If you tap on the table, it will create a table for you. This is what you can do with quick analysis tools. The fifth one is drop-down list. You want to select the list of values to work with in a particular column. Let's say we want to work with these numbers here. I want to use this column to do the drop-down list for these numbers here. I come up to data tab again. From here, I select data validation, click on data validation, then I select value, I pick list. From this arrow pointing up, we highlight it, we close the drop down, then we press OK. When we come to this drop down arrow here now and tap on it, it will give us this number here. And if we try to type anything that is not within here, let's say we want to put in 30 here, when we press OK, we will have a warning from Microsoft Excel to either retry to put the right number, to cancel, or to seek help. So we cancel. So the next one we are going to do is transpose. That is number 6. If we want to reverse the column and rows in the table, that is what transpose can do. We highlight it first. After we have highlighted it, we right click on it, we copy, then we come to the place we want to paste it, we right click again. Instead of using the normal paste, we use special paste. From here we select transpose, and it will automatically change the look. Instead of being in columns, it will now be in rows. Number 7 is autofill. Let's say we have 1 here and then 2 here. With autofill, and we want to take this number to 15. All we have to do is to highlight the 2 of them, then we autofill to 15. We autofill to 15. Once you highlight the 2, Excel will know the pattern that you want to use and use that pattern to autofill the rest. Let's say you just put in 1 here and decide to autofill it. Excel will just bring up 1, 1, 1 for you because that is the pattern you saw there. This can also work within the days. Let's say we say Monday, Tuesday. Once we highlight both, then we autofill. Excel will immediately give the rest of the days. It also works in months. You highlight the 2, then you right click and autofill. You can even do it with date. We have this date. When we highlight both, we right click and Excel will autofill the rest. So the number 8 is autofit column weight. This is the best and easiest way of adjusting the columns in Excel. You come in between the columns you want to adjust, you double click on it and it will adjust automatically. Another way you can do this is to just come to this place, you click on it, it will highlight the whole spreadsheet. Then from the top here, you just double click and it will resize all the columns to the right size. The number 9 is VLOOKUP. This is used to find data in any list. In the example in this tutorial, I have a list of products that I am selling, their code and their values. I want to get the code of a particular product. What I have to do is to use VLOOKUP to get this code. Let's say I want to get the code here. I put a equal sign, then I type in VLOOKUP. It has appeared. I double click to have it there. Then I select what I'm looking for the code. I put a comma. I highlight the range that I know that the code should be in. I put another comma. Then I select the index number. This is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. So the code is in 2. So I put 2 there. Then I put comma again. If it's appropriate, it will be true. But if it's not appropriate, let it return false. So I put in false here. I close bracket. So it has returned 100 because that is the code for T. If you change the number here, let's say the code changed to 50, it will also change to 50. So the number 10 is remove duplicate. This may become necessary when you have a list of data that having duplicate is inevitable. Maybe you gather information from so many sources and there is possibility that most of the information are repeated. This is where you use remove duplicate to remove those that are duplicated within the list. You highlight the list you want to remove the duplicate. After you have highlighted the list, you come to data from here to remove duplicate. Then you select the range you want the duplicate to be removed. I will just leave it in B. Then I click OK. It says 3 duplicate value found and remove. 8 unique values remain. So I press OK. It has removed those that are duplicated. So we have come to the end of the tutorial today. Thank you for watching this short tutorial. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like this video, subscribe to my channel if you have not already done so. Click the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you once I drop a new video. See you in the next video.